In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable inline editing in Salesforce. Inline editing lets you update fields directly from list-style views without opening each record, which can save a lot of time. We'll walk through two parts. First, updating the account object's search layouts so the fields you care about are visible where you work. And second, switching on the inline editing setting in Setup. I'll keep things clear and practical, and you can follow along in Salesforce Lightning. Start on your Salesforce homepage. Look to the top right and open the Quick Settings menu by clicking the gear icon. From there, choose the option to open Advanced Setup. This takes you into the main setup area where we can change object settings and user interface preferences. In Setup, go to Object Manager. From the list of objects, open Account. We're using Account as the example here because it's a common place to need quick edits, but the approach is similar for other standard or custom objects. Inside the account setup, find Search Layouts. If you don't immediately see the layout you want to adjust, click Show More so all available layouts appear. Now open the search results layout for editing. Here you'll see two lists, available fields on the left and selected fields on the right. We're going to add Billing Street so it's displayed when you search for accounts, making quick updates and scanning results easier. Click Billing Street in the available fields, then click Add to move it to the selected side. Confirm it appears in the selected list so it shows on the results. If you accidentally click away or don't see it move, just select Billing Street again and click Add once more until it appears where you need it. When you're done, click Save to apply the layout change. With that saved, head back to the home area. Use the gear icon again to open the Quick Settings menu and choose Advanced Setup. Now we'll turn on the inline editing capability itself. In the Setup sidebar's Quick Find box, type User Interface. Click User Interface from the filtered results to open the UI settings page. On this page, locate the option labeled Enable Inline Editing. Check this box to activate the feature. This setting allows you to edit supported fields directly from list-style views without going into each record. Keep in mind, whether a specific field is editable inline can still depend on things like field level security, record type, page layout configuration, and whether the field type supports inline edits. Text, number, and checkbox fields usually work well. Formula fields, read-only fields, or fields controlled by automation won't be inline editable. When you're ready, click Save to finalize the change. That's the full setup. You updated the account search layout, so important address information appears in results, and you enabled inline editing at the org level. Together, these steps help you work faster by reducing the clicks needed to correct or update straightforward details. A couple of quick tips as you start using this. If you don't see the pencil icon or an editable state in a list, double-check that the list view is not filtered by multiple record types and that it's not using a layout or field that blocks inline edits. Also, confirm you have edit permission on the object and the field. If you want to bring inline editing to other objects, repeat the Object Manager and Search Layout steps for each one, adding the fields that matter most to your team. And if your team relies more on list views than search results, make sure those list views include the fields you want to update inline. You're all set. With inline editing enabled and your layouts tuned, you'll spend less time opening records and more time getting work done.